Sally the Seal is practicing her new circus act. In this particular act, Sally has to bounce a big bouncy ball on her little black nose. But Sally's old ball popped. Now she has to get a new one. She wants this one to be a lot better than her old bouncy ball, so she's going to have to take some new measurements. That's right, Sally. To do that, you need to find how much rubber it will take to cover your bouncy ball and how much air you need to fill it up. Equations! No, not yet, Sally. First off, I've got to warn you. If you put too much rubber on your bouncy ball, then it'll be really floppy. And if there's too much air, it's gonna... Yeah, that's right. It'll pop. Equations! Okay, Sally. So, do you know any of the equations? Let's start off with surface area, or the amount of rubber you'll need to cover your new bouncy ball. 4 pi r squared. That's right, Sally. Now what about the equation for how to find the volume, or how much air you'll need to fill up your new bouncy ball? 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. Good job, Sally. Now, are you ready to figure it out? Of course you are. But first, we've got to go over some key vocabulary words. Don't be like that, Sally. It's really not that bad. A radius is half a diameter. It starts from the midpoint to the end of the circle or sphere. In this case, it's your bouncy ball. Now, can you tell me what a diameter is? That's right, a diameter is 2 radii, which means it goes from one end of the ball to the other end. And it goes through the center point. Measurement! So, now that you know what a radius and diameter is, do you know their measurements? No. Well, let's start with the radius. The radius is 6. So, do you know what the diameter would be? 12! Good job, Sally. That's right. Now, do you remember those equations? So, how would you find the surface area of this new bouncy ball, Sally? 4 times 6 squared pi. And what does that equal? 144 pi. Good job, Sally. Now, what about the volume? 4 times 6 cubed times pi divided by 3. Good job, Sally. Now, what does that equal? 288 pi. Good job, Sally. Now let's go submit that order for your new bouncy ball. Oh, good point. What if it pops? Well, let's not have that happen. How about we order 2 bouncy balls? Alright, so do you want this one to be bigger or smaller? Alright, so Sally, pick a number that's larger than our last radius of 6. 12! Yeah, how about that? So we'll try this again. How about the surface area, Sally? 12 squared times 4 pi. Alright, that's the equation. Now, can you solve it? 576 pi. Good job. Now, what about the volume, Sally? 12 times 12 times 12 times 4 times pi divided by 3. Good job, Sally. That's the equation. Now, how about you solve it? 2,304 pi. Good job, Sally. Now, let's go order your 2 new bouncy balls. Yay!